guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable Find My Device on your Windows 11. So this feature already available on iOS and Android phones. Now you can easily enable this feature for your Windows 11. To enable this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings. Use the shortcut key to open the settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. This is the shortcut key to open your Windows settings. Okay, in the Windows settings, here in the left panel you can get the option privacy and security. Just click and open it, and here you can get the option Find My Device. Just click and open it. To enable the Find My Device option, first you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Afterwards you can easily able to enable the Find My Device feature on your Windows 11. Okay, so as well as you need to enable the location services on your Windows 11. To enable it guys, go to privacy and security. Once again scroll down, here you can get the option location. Just click and open it, and here you need to enable the location services. Okay, so this location services is help you to find your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it for today guys. The short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.